If you walk into an American office and someone says, let's circle back on this, and you think they want to walk in circles, you're going to be so confused.
Or if your boss says, can you ping me later? And you wonder why they want you to make a sound like a microwave.
These are real phrases Americans use every single day at work, and if you don't know them, you'll feel lost in meetings.
Today, we're teaching you the most common office slang in the USA so you sound like you belong.
Hey everyone, welcome to Speaklio English.
I'm here to help you speak real American English, the kind people actually use at work, not the kind from textbooks.
And I'm here to make sure you sound natural and confident, especially if you're working in an American company or planning to.
Because here's the thing, American offices have their own language. It's not formal. It's not what you learned in school.
It's fast, it's casual, and if you don't know these phrases, you might miss important information or feel awkward in conversations.
So today, we're breaking down the slang you hear every day in American workplaces.
And if you want to keep learning real spoken English like this, hit that subscribe button right now.
Let's go.
Okay, first phrase. This one is super common. Let's touch base.
Touch base, like touch a baseball base?
Exactly. It comes from baseball, but in the office, it means let's talk or let's check in.
So if your coworker says, let's touch base tomorrow, they just want to talk to you tomorrow.
Right. It's casual, it's friendly. Americans say this all the time.
Let's touch base. Let's touch base. Say it with us. Let's touch base.
Perfect. Now, when do you use it?
You use it when you want to have a quick conversation, usually to update someone or check progress.
For example, hey, I'm busy now, but let's touch base this afternoon.
Or, we should touch base before the meeting.
See? Super common. And it sounds way more natural than saying, let's have a conversation.
Okay, next one. Circle back.
Oh, this one confuses so many learners.
Yeah, because it sounds like you're going to walk in a circle and come back.
But it actually means return to this topic later or discuss this again later.
So if someone says, let's circle back on this next week, they mean let's talk about this next week.
Exactly. Let's circle back. Let's circle back. Repeat. Let's circle back.
Great. Now, why do Americans say this?
Because sometimes in a meeting, you can't solve everything right away. So you say, let's circle back to mean we'll return to this topic later.
For example, I don't have the numbers right now, but let's circle back on Thursday.
Or, let's circle back after we talk to the client.
It's polite and it keeps the conversation moving.
And you'll hear it almost every meeting.
Okay, here's a fun one. Ping me.
Ping me? Like a sound?
Kind of. It means send me a quick message.
So if your boss says, ping me when you're done, they want you to send them a message.
Right. It's usually about email, Slack, or text.
Ping me. Ping me. Say it. Ping me.
Nice. Now, this is super casual.
Yeah, you wouldn't say this in a very formal email, but in everyday work talk, totally normal.
For example, ping me if you have any questions.
Or just ping me later and we'll figure it out.
It's fast, it's easy, and Americans love it.
It makes you sound like part of the team.
Next phrase, loop me in.
Loop me in? What does that mean?
It means include me in the conversation or keep me updated.
So if you say, can you loop me in on that email? You're asking someone to add you to the email chain.
Exactly. Loop me in. Loop me in. Repeat. Loop me in.
Good. Now, when do you use it?
You use it when you want to be included in a discussion or get information.
For example, I wasn't at the meeting, so can you loop me in?
Or loop me in if anything changes.
It's polite, but also direct.
And Americans use it all the time in emails and meetings.
Okay, this next one is important. I'm swamped.
Swamped, like in a swamp?
Yeah, a swamp is a wet, muddy place. But if you say, I'm swamped, it means I'm extremely busy.
So you're like stuck in work, like stuck in a swamp.
Exactly. I'm swamped. I'm swamped. Say it. I'm swamped.
Perfect. Now, why do Americans say this?
Because it's a casual, colorful way to say you have too much work.
For example, can you help me? I'm swamped right now.
Or, sorry I didn't reply earlier, I've been swamped all week.
It's super common and it helps people understand you're really busy.
And it sounds way more natural than saying, I am very occupied.
Yeah, don't say that. Say, I'm swamped.
Next one, give me a heads up.
Heads up, like lift your head?
Not quite. Give me a heads up means tell me in advance or warn me before something happens.
So if your coworker says, give me a heads up before the meeting, they want you to remind them or inform them early.
Right. Give me a heads up. Give me a heads up. Repeat. Give me a heads up.
Great. Now, why do you use this?
You use it when you want advance notice about something.
For example, can you give me a heads up if the client calls?
Or, next time, just give me a heads up so I can prepare.
It's polite and super useful.
And you'll hear it constantly in American offices.
Okay, here's one more. Run it by someone.
Run it by someone, like run past them?
Kind of. It means check with someone or get someone's opinion before you do something.
So if your boss says, run it by me first, they want you to ask their opinion before you make a decision.
Exactly. Run it by me. Run it by me. Repeat. Run it by me.
Nice. Now, why is this important?
Because in American offices, people want to collaborate and check with each other before making big decisions.
For example, that sounds good, but run it by the manager first.
Or, I'll run it by the team and see what they think.
It shows respect and teamwork.
And it's way more natural than saying, please review this with your supervisor.
All right, last one. I'll keep you posted.
Keep you posted. What does that mean?
It means I'll update you or I'll tell you when I know more.
So if someone says, I'll keep you posted, they're promising to give you information later.
Right. I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you posted. Repeat. I'll keep you posted.
Perfect. Now, when do you say this?
You say it when you don't have all the information yet, but you want to reassure someone that you'll tell them later.
For example, I'm waiting for the client's response, but I'll keep you posted.
Or, I'll keep you posted as soon as I hear anything.
It's professional, but casual.
And it's one of the most useful phrases in any American office.
Okay, let's practice. I'm going to be the coworker, and you're going to use these phrases. Ready?
Ready.
Hey, are you free to talk about the project?
I'm swamped right now, but let's touch base this afternoon.
Great. That sounds natural. Okay, next one. Can you update me about the meeting?
I wasn't there, but I'll loop Sarah and loop you in.
Perfect. You sound like a real American coworker. One more. Should I send this email to the client?
Let me run it by the boss first, and I'll keep you posted.
Amazing. You're using all the phrases naturally.
See how easy that was?
These phrases make you sound confident and professional.
And they're so common that you'll hear them every single day.
All right, let's do a quick recap. Here are the phrases we learned today.
Let's touch base means let's talk or check in.
Circle back means return to this topic later.
Ping me means send me a quick message.
Loop me in means include me or keep me updated.
I'm swamped means I'm very busy.
Give me a heads up means tell me in advance.
Run it by someone means check with someone first.
And I'll keep you posted means I'll update you later.
These 8 phrases will change the way you sound at work.
You'll sound natural, confident, and like you belong.
Okay, here's your homework.
We want you to practice these phrases right now.
Go to the comments and write one sentence using any phrase we taught today.
For example, I'm swamped with work this week.
Or, let's touch base tomorrow.
Write your sentence in the comments and we'll check it and reply to you.
This is how you practice real English.
And if you want more lessons like this, subscribe to Speaklio English right now.
Hit that like button so we know you want more Office English.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to practice.
Every time you use one of these phrases, you sound more American.
So don't be shy, start using them today.
At work, in emails, in meetings, just try.
And before you know it, these phrases will feel totally natural.
You've got this.
We believe in you.
Keep practicing with Speaklio English.
And we'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.